In today's tutorial, we will walk you through the step to create and save a new presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone looking to brush up on their skills, this tutorial is for you. So let's type right in. First thing, go ahead and launch the Microsoft PowerPoint on your computers. So once you have it on open, and we will be greeted the start screen with our screen or blank presentation. So depending on your setting. So if you're starting from scratch, simply click on the blank presentations over here, and this will be open new presentations with a title slide ready for you customize. Okay, so now let's say you want to add some slides to your presentations, and you can do by clicking on the insert or use the insert tips or the insert tabs, or just go to the home tab. Okay, so here you can easily use from here. You will find the several options for the types of slide. You can add the title slide or a content slide, a title or contents and sections either with titles only, or also the comments with captions, and also the more. So choose the slide layout that best fits for it needs. So for example, I can easily use with the title and contents. Okay, so once you have added your slides and customize them to your linkings, so like here I can, if I use the simple text, this one, I will just say this simple text over here. In here you can easily add the slide like the icons. For example, I will use the simple icons over here, or this one, then insert it. Okay, and you can have the different settings with this one, like I will change the graphics color will be the different colors. So here we have now the simple text slide. So now it's time to save your work. You can definitely don't want to lose all the hard work, right? So to save your presentation, simply click on the File tabs in the top of the left corner of the screen. Then select the Save As, and next choose where you want to save your presentation. So here you can easily use it. For example, I will use the document over here. So now, so give it the name. For this is the, I can just say this will be the purple or first, or I can just say this is the first one. I will just use it first on PPT, this one. Okay, and select the file format you prefer. So PowerPoint gives you several options, including the standard PPTX format, also the all several options. You can easily choose from here. For this one, I will use the PowerPoint presentations PPT, this one. Okay, so once you have filled out all the necessary information, click on the save button. That is so your presentation is now safely stored on your computers. Now you can see in the titles bar there is a name for first PPT in here. Okay, so and there you have it. Creating and saving any presentations in PowerPoint is easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.